guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the easiest at-home silk press routine for all natural hair types. I tried this method on myself about a year ago, and it has proven to be the best at-home silk press method. So let's get started. So I had a client that came in with a very matted and tangled head of hair due to the fact that she had a protective style in for a couple of months. So the majority of this process was me detangling her hair, and this process actually took 4 hours. We started at 9 p.m. and we finished at 1 a.m. So go ahead and give this video a like for my hard work. The most important thing that you want to remember when doing a silk press at home is that you want to start off with detangled hair, and you also want to make sure that you have no product in your hair. So I am currently detangling her hair. It took a lot of conditioner and a lot of warm water. But after the detangling process, I went ahead and I shampooed her hair about 3 times in the twists to make sure that she had absolutely no product buildup. Because the secret to a silky silk press is to make sure that you don't have products weighing your hair down. So if that has been a struggle for you when it comes to flat ironing your hair at home, I would definitely recommend that you shampoo and clarify your hair so that you are removing any buildup or residue that you may have from products that you have been using.
Ryan Little.
So we are now onto the blow drying portion of the video. And if you are using heat protectant, I would recommend that you don't overdo it because that can also weigh your hair down. Honestly, I would make sure that you get your hair as straight as possible in this portion of the flat ironing process because you don't want to have to go over your hair with multiple passes when we get to the flat iron stage. So we are now on to the flat ironing portion of the video, and for this portion you want to make sure that you are doing very slow passes with the flat iron at a reasonable temperature so that you don't have to go over your hair with multiple passes, and make sure that you're also doing very small sections and getting your roots straight.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.